Do you find calculating dilution ratios confusing? But you know that using the recommended dilution ratio will help to get the most out of any detailing product? Well, in this video we will make it simple by using a dedicated calculator which is available right on your phone or through a website with 3 common dilution ratio methods, but without the confusion of math. Hello everyone, my name is Victor and I appreciate you came over to my channel today where I share all my experience as a car enthusiastic weekend warrior. So if you would like to know more about car detailing products, learn more about the process, or you just simply love with cleaning cars, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and follow my journey at Road to Detailing. With that out of the way, keep moving forward to find the solution of today's topic, where we are gonna go on the shortest possible way to find out the correct amount of products to use by a single dedicated app called Dilution Ratio Calculator, which has been created by Asphalt Detailing, so a big shout out to them. But let's see what causes all the confusion around. Exactly, there are so many different dilution ratios we need to use. So to fully understand why this calculator will be a great help for those who are struggling with dilution ratios, we will go over on 3 common dilution ratio methods by using this app. And bear with me, because all the confusion caused by these dilution ratios, exactly what we would like to get rid of by the end of this video. So let's see this calculator. As you can see, the calculator is very minimalistic, fresh and simple, exactly what we need. Start with the first classic method, which is the most popular. Get an example with a dilution ratio of 1 to 10, meaning 1 part product diluted down with 10 parts water, and we need 1000 milliliter or 1 liter of diluted product. After we put the desired numbers in the correct fields, just press calculate and boom, we have the correct quantity of product and water we need to mix together. But what exactly behind the classic method calculation? So we had a dilution ratio of 1 to 10 and we need to figure out how much solution and water to use to get a 1000 milliliter mixture. So add up those two numbers we have in the ratio, 1 part plus 10 parts, which equals 11 parts. Then divide the amount of mixture we need, which is 1000 milliliter by 11 parts. Now we have the quantity of 1 part, 91 milliliter, so we need 1 part product, 91 milliliter, and add 10 parts water, 909 milliliter for the correct mixture. Are you still with me, right? It was much easier to press the calculate button, wasn't it? Alright, there is a reset button for the further calculations in case you would like to change either the ratio or the amount you need, but that's not all. In case of using the classic method, you might find measuring out 91 or 909 milliliters sounds weird, and you are looking for dilution quantity numbers which are easy to measure, then using the alternative method could be a better choice. Let's see why. Just for clarity, stick with the 1 to 10 dilution ratio and the amount of 1000 milliliter. Press calculate and we have the right quantities there as 100 milliliter and 900 milliliter. The reason behind it's called alternative method is because there is no need to add up the parts as before with the classic method. Instead, we're looking for the number right at the ratio, 10 parts. Meaning, divide the amount of mixture we need, 1000 milliliter by 10 parts, will give you the quantity of 1 part, 100 milliliter, so 1 part product is 100 milliliter, and the rest of the 9 parts is 900 milliliter. We can call this a bit cheeky as the quantities differ a bit, but the choice is all yours which way you're gonna go. Last but not least, what about the third most common method, dilution ratio by percentage? It should be the easiest from all, isn't it? As an example here, use a dilution of 10% and a need of 1000 milliliter mixture, same as before. Press calculate and we can see the results as 100 milliliter product and 900 milliliter of water. Let's try this with a 4% dilution ratio without changing the capacity. So as you can see, fast and simple, you can play around the numbers regarding the outcome you need. With the percentage method, as you probably know, you only need to calculate the exact percentage out of the capacity of the mixture you need. Hope you don't mind that if I won't go further into this method. Lastly, if you are in the body shop work industry, you can use this app to calculate the mixture of the paint as you see. I personally don't use it, but I'm sure this part of the calculator could offer the same help as the first 3 methods for those who are mixing paint. So you have the 3 common dilution ratio calculation methods to choose from, and it takes literally 5 seconds to calculate the right quantities on a very user-friendly way with this app without thinking or using any math. I really like it, and I always use it to save time on calculating dilution ratios when preparing mixtures of any detailing product. I have put the links to this app in the description below, and feel free to use it. Shout out to Asphalt Detailing one more time for creating this app. By the way, this video isn't sponsored. I just thought sharing this information with you all could be a great benefit, so I hope you found it useful and it can save you some time and gray hair in the future. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel for videos like this and turn on the notification bell to never miss some future uploads. All your support helps the channel growing and it's much appreciated. For behind the scene content, you can find me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram at Road to Detailing, plus consider to join to my Patreon family. Also, before you leave, check the links in the description and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, thanks for being here. Take care and see you soon.